Alright, now the last part. Connecting your autoresponder. Autoresponder is basically a program that when somebody opts into your affiliate commission funnel, they are automatically sent emails, either a welcome email or another type of email selling them a product or explaining them what to do, just basically what you saw from me. Now, I highly recommend using Aweber. It's my favorite one. You can also receive commissions off of it. One, if you get people to sign up for it. Now, once you sign up through your Aweber account, I wish I could hide this, but I can't. It's gonna come up to here. This is a follow-up series and everything. This is Aweber. It's a pretty good program. This is the one I highly recommend, though. So when you sign up through the links that are on the page, basically come up here, go to integrations, see how mine are already set up. My forum for my websites and my Aweber actual account. I'm gonna hit add new integration. And as you can see, you can choose from hundreds of different types of integrations. There's a web right here, you click it and you set it up. It's easy as that. Now you can also go with ConvertKit, Drip, Get Response, and also Clickfunnels offers their own, which is called Actionetics, but it's extremely expensive. It's around $297. So, and that's it. Now, if you guys have any questions, please just feel free to contact me or respond to any of my emails, and yeah, let me know. Good luck, and here comes some of your highest commissions yet. Good luck, and feel free to let me know how I'm doing. Thanks, guys. See you at the top.